Well, we covered that a little bit on the question regarding the alternative dispute resolutions as opposed to litigating, but there are some practical kind of measures that an association can take to minimize that. One of the things is that I see happen in associations is that if the board of directors hires a property management company or a property manager that has good people skills and can diffuse problems that should be diffused before they ever reach the board of directors or they ever reach the attorney for the board of directors, that is extremely helpful. And I've also run into situations where I've seen property managers do the exact opposite. In fact, they escalate problems. And so you've got a board that may be willing to do the right thing. You've got members that may be willing to do the right thing. And then you got managers that are not solving problems. So it's very, very important to screen the management company and to screen the property manager. It's also important to look at the contracts when you are an association and you are going to hire a management company. You need to be careful because a lot of management companies, for obvious reasons, want to tie the associations into long-term contracts. If you're going to do that, you better make sure that you are comfortable with the property manager that they are providing. And you still run the risk that that property manager may retire or may get terminated or move to another management company. So I think the property manager is in a very integral and important way to diffuse problems between members and boards. And then as a board of director member, the board member kind of has a lot of influence as to how issues are handled. And it doesn't have to just be the president, although that helps because they get to run the meetings. But the board of directors, if they have kind of a feeling or they kind of give off the feeling that they're willing to be at least amenable to listen to members' complaints instead of just dismissing them outright. Because when that happens, then members don't even want to talk to the board because they know the board's reputation, and then they go right to the lawyer and say they want to file suit. So it's important for the board of directors to kind of have the right mindset and to want to work problems out as opposed to just saying it's going to be our way or the highway. And if you don't like it, then sue us. And I've seen boards that act like that. And a lot of those boards end up in litigation, which is, it's fine for the lawyer. The lawyer gets to make money in litigation, but it's not really healthy for the community, and it costs money for the community, for the association to hire the lawyer. If the association loses, they may have to pay the attorney's fees, and every member of the association through assessments, whether they're regular or whether or not they're a special assessment for the legal fees, that becomes a problem. So hire the right property manager and then make sure as a board that as a member that you're cognizant that if you approach people the right way, you're going to diffuse more situations than not. And certainly you don't want to escalate problems that come before you.